Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Students, in today's lesson we will again discuss the simplification of linear algebraic expressions with fractional coefficients. But you can see here is the difference in the previous lesson and in today's lesson, that in the previous lessons we have only single terms involved, but in this you can see here the complete algebraic expressions are involved. So open your booklets at page number 38 first to understand the procedure. Let's solve a few examples to understand the procedure, right? Here is your example. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form, right? So again you can see we have two fractions and two unlike fractions with different denominators, so we cannot add or subtract. So first thing we have to do, we have to convert these unlike fractions into like fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators, and the denominators are 3 and 7, right? We always start the division with the smallest prime number, and the smallest prime number is 2. So 3 and 7 both are not divisible by 2, so we will choose the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 7 is not divisible by 3, so we will write it as it is. Now 7 is also a prime number, it's only divisible by itself, so we will divide it with 7. 7 ones are 7. Now the LCM will be equal to 3 sevens are 21, right? So the denominators should be 21 here, and you all know 3 sevens are 21, so we will multiply our first fraction with 7, and always multiply the numerator and the denominator with same number, right? Plus, now 7 threes are 21, so we will multiply our second fraction with 3. 7 threes are 21. Students, here you can see a complete algebraic expression is involved, so we will write the multiplier here and we will use a bracket, because when you will multiply your second fraction, you will multiply the complete algebraic expression with 3. You will multiply this 3 with both the terms of your algebraic expression. That's why I am using a bracket here and I am writing the multiplier like this. Understood? Okay. Now 7 times x is 7x. 7 threes are, or 3 sevens are 21. Plus, here you will use the arrows, so there will be a less chance of mistake, right? 3 twos are 6x minus 3 fives are 15, or 7 threes are 21. Okay, now we can combine the numerators. Students, you can do it in two ways. You can first combine your numerators and then you can do this multiplication, or you can multiply first, then you can combine your numerators, right? Okay, now you have the same denominator, so we can combine our numerators in a single fraction. 7x plus 6x minus 15 over denominator 21, right? Here you can see again we have two like terms, 7x plus 6x, so we will add these two terms. 7 plus 6 is 13x minus 15 over 21. Understood? Okay, let's solve the second example, and in the second example you have the subtraction of two fractions with algebraic expressions. Again you can see both of them have different denominators and both are unlike fractions. So first we will convert them into like fractions by taking the LCM, and we will take the LCM of the denominators 3 and 5. 3 ones are 3, 5 as it is. Now 5 is a prime number, only divisible by itself. So we will divide with 5, 1 as it is, and 5 ones are 5. Now the LCM will be equal to 3 5s are 15, right? So we will make the denominator 15 here. Okay. Now we have to multiply our first fraction with 5 because 3 5s are 15. As I have told you before that you will multiply this complete algebraic expression with your multiplier. So I am writing the multiplier 5 here into your complete algebraic expression over denominator multiplied with 5, right? Similarly, your second fraction will be multiplied with 3. So I will write the multiple 3 here into complete algebraic expression with brackets, and then your denominator multiplied with 3, right? Now in this, first just find the product of your denominators. 3 5s are 15 and keep your numerators as it is. 5 3s are 15, right? Now you can see you have same denominators, right? So now you can combine your numerators. Why I am combining the numerators first? Because there is a negative sign involved, so it will change the signs inside the bracket. So it's better if you will combine your numerators first. So what are the numerators? 5 into 2x minus 5 minus 3 into 3x minus 2, right? Now we can multiply with the help of arrows. 5 will be multiplied with 2x and 5. 3 will be multiplied with 3x and 2, right? Now 5 2s are 10x minus 5 5s are 25 minus 3 3s are 9x. Now this negative sign will change the sign inside the bracket, minus and minus plus, right? And 3 2s are 6 over 15, right? Now again we have to combine the like terms, and our like terms are 10x and 9x, the terms with the same variables. So we will combine these two, 10x minus 9x. And I have told you in our first lesson of algebra that the constant terms are also called the like terms, and the constant terms are here minus 25 plus 6, right? And your denominator, that is 15, right? Okay, now we can subtract our like terms. 10x minus 9x is equal to 1x. No need to write 1 in the coefficient, because when there is no coefficient, that means it's 1. The next, negative 25 plus 6. You can see here you have two different signs, one negative and one positive. And by the rules of algebra, by the rules of integers, if you have two different signs, you have to subtract. So 25 minus 6 is 19. And keep the sign of your greater number. 25 is negative, so your answer will be negative 19 over 15. Understood? Hope you have understood the procedure, and now you can solve the sums given on your page number 39 and 40 of your booklets. If you face any difficulty, you can contact me. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.